What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing means promoting other companies' products and receives commission. The affiliate easily looks for a product they like, then markets that product and receives commissions from every sale they create. The sales are generated through affiliate links from one site to another. In order to get the sales link, we need to join affiliate program. There are so many different affiliate programs websites like ShareASale Affiliates, Amazon Associates, eBay Partners, ClickBank. In order to learn the best technique for affiliate marketing, hit the description below and join the best training programs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.